Thank you for providing us the opportunity to participate at IPAC 2012. It's a great privilege and honor to participate in this competition. This is a demo video of ScalableC, an online platform to share ideas, organize information and content through videos, audio, images, and blogs. We believe that ScalableC has the capacity to solve issues of scale, whether it is health, food, environment, and education. The genesis of ScalableC is on three C's, that is collaboration, community, and cooperation. We believe that when individuals come together, they tend to share their experiences, their knowledge, and as a result of this constant engagement, they're able to create a community of resources. And as a result of this community evolving over time, we see trust and cooperation in the local region as well as the region surrounding the local environment of those individuals. And we believe that this is the form factor which could be useful for providing an alternative to the current solution being provided by the value-added service providers. The multimedia content, whether it is videos, audios, images, and projects, provide us the idea of sharing and also of learning from each other and identifying and solving a particular problem. ScalableC is having a structure of two accounts. One is an individual account, the other is an organizational account. To create an organizational account, one needs to be a user of ScalableC. Let me demonstrate on what all we can do as a user of this platform. When we click on My Profile, we are able to see the forms of media through which we can interact, that is videos, audios, pictures, and blogs. We are also able to get information about us, that is our personal information, our social information, our favorite videos, audios, and pictures. We can also create an organizational account. And by creating an organizational account, we can find services of our interest, connect with friends, make new friends, upload and share video, audio, and pictures, create our own blog, customize our own profile, start projects, and build a community around projects. We believe that doing these projects together could help us arrive at a good conclusion on the problems that we try to solve. And we have some interesting experiences to share and some interesting insights from some of the videos that have been uploaded at ScalableC. Let me share an event example of an educational game jam, and let me bring to the page for the event. We click on game and we see a list of videos associated with game. So let's say we wish to organize an educational game jam. Let's say we call it Global Game Jam, and we wish to have users from different continents, from speaking different languages, having different methods of development and also of sharing. So the way we can go about organizing such a competition is very simple. We could have an event video sharing the past experiences of the event, as is shown here in Global Game Jam 2009. If we wish to organize the event in a particular month, we could upload the video of the theme of the event, the eligibility rules, the regulation and criteria, the submission norms, and also the method of review for the applicants, which is seen over here at the Global Game Jam videos. Global Game Jam, or in general Game Jam events, tend to be very rigorous in their regime for the participants. They tend to go for 48 hours continuously, And as a result, having an event video during the course of the event could be something which would motivate the developers as well as the participants of the event. So we could have a video during the course of the event which could be useful while the participants and developers are participating during the event. At the end of the event, the winning entries could upload the videos of the games developed by them. And the winning entries could also be shared and could also be reviewed by a wider range of community members of ScalableC. So here we see three games, that is Let Me Match To, Fruitis, Let Me Memorize, and Listen and Spell. So these four games could be reviewed by the community members and we could get an understanding and feedback on how these games could be evolved over time. So let's say if we wish to organize IPAC 2013 on ScalableC, we wish to share a very simple way of doing that. When we go to the IPAC website, we see that it is currently in Korean. And if we wish to reach a wider audience, we tend the way a participant from a different country would go about going through the website is by clicking on a plugin like Google Translate, trying to understand the Korean language and trying to click on the different form factors and understanding what it stands for. What we can do is something very basic and simple. We could have the entire event quick menu, that is these four categories, translated into videos which could be uploaded at ScalableC. This could be followed by the guidelines and the other like the other submission factors being uploaded over here. Henceforth, we can reach to an audience which would not be constrained by language and which would have a wider and a bigger participation. Let me come back to the home menu and share what else we can do with ScalableC or what has been done with ScalableC. We can learn a particular language. We can share a deployment experience. We can have an organizational PR engagement, or we can even have videos which promote dramatics or things which are outside the realm of the conventional media. I wish to look forward IPAC 2013 being organized at ScalableC. Thank you.